Yeah, yeah.
No way.
It's Big C.
Alright.
I'm changing my ways.
Yeah, for the better.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, here we go. Are you ready?
Here we go. Follow my flow. Yeah,
Just let it go.
yeah. I'm changing my ways to get away from the rain for another day. I don't listen to what they say, I'll just listen away. Well, I don't give a fuck, okay? And that's all I got to state. If not, you'll get blown away. I pray on the ones who convince and slay, wishing I was spitting all day, every day for that grade A. Need a payday for this living I'm giving to people with no opinion so they can make the right decisions. No way can I sit and wait. Gotta accelerate, incinerate the competition I face with the powers I chase through space. It can't be misplaced. I can't make no mistakes. No room for your hate, cause I don't appreciate what you say. So get it on my face. This game is fast paced. If you stay in one place, you're bound to be replaced. So I raise the stakes while these MCs sit and shake, cause they know that I'm so great. So I innovate, not to intimidate or discriminate. My goal's not to integrate the entire human race, but instead to educate the blind and young minds of the real bad guys. Try to incriminate and incarcerate, hoping the intelligent drift away, so nobody is awake or believing in the fake and what those bats say. So they elaborate on how to annihilate half the human race. Think I'm joking, your mistake. I can't blame you for your ways, but on the day that the earth starts to burn, I say you should have learned, cause for your life I am no longer concerned. We all got something to earn, and now it's my fucking turn, cause I know that it's my turn. Yeah, cause I know that it's my turn. Changing my ways for better days, better pay. Gotta go with this flow, that's what I know. Time to show this world what I hold. I compare this passion with gold, cause not too long ago I was trapped in a bad zone, in a mad mode. Life felt unfair and cold, dread of being all alone. For a while I thought my heart was made of stone. I was in denial, now I've been shown, but I'm lost in the dark. My emotions became vast like the ocean or a supernova explosion, and now I feel like I'm choking, cause everything inside keeping me alive is broken. I guess that's why I'm always smoking, waiting for the days when things change. Cause one thing I gotta learn is that nothing stays the same, even if it causes a lot of pain. I'm just a grain of sand on this earth, so what's my real worth? Still trying to find it, but it hurts. Damn, but it hurts. Still trying to find my worth, but it hurts. Yeah. Gotta change my ways for them better days, them better days. Gotta change my ways for them better days, them better days, them better days. Gotta change my ways for them better days. I'm hoping they're not far away, yeah, not far away. Yeah, them better days. Changing my ways for them better days. Yeah, just changing my ways for them better days. Yeah, just changing my ways for them better days. Hoping I get better pay, hoping it gets better anyways, and those days aren't far away. Yeah.